Hello friends, this is Dr. Preeti Mala. I am a medical director and consultant at Pearl Fertility and IVF. So nowadays infertility is increasing in incidence, and as we know, the changing lifestyle is responsible for increasing incidence of infertility as well as the cycles of IVF. So what we come across in the OPD is more of PCOD patients, late marriages, elderly age, fibroid, endometriosis, low sperm count. So maybe the part of changing lifestyle and hectic schedules of the work. So ladies are more occupied with their career and they are getting married at elderly age. And maybe because of the elderly age at first pregnancy, they are facing multiple problems like PCOD, endometriosis, fibroids. So ultimately they land up with us with the problems of conceiving. So what is the solution? So IVF is a procedure where we can manage the cases of tubal block, low sperm count, endometriosis very well with a good success rate of 60%. So people, they do have many ideas about IVF. They think that the IVF procedure is expensive, IVF procedure is painful, it is out of their budget. So let me tell you something, that IVF is a very easy procedure. It starts from second day of your periods and ends up at around day 14. So the procedure is from day 2 to day 14 of your cycle and consists of injections which starts from second day. These injections are very painless injection nowadays, almost like insulin injections, and a patient can administer on their own, and then they have to undergo follicular study on second day, 6th day, 8th day and 10th day, which is again a painless procedure. And once the follicles are mature around day 12 of menses, they are admitted to the hospital for 3 to 4 hours. It is a daycare procedure, no long hospital stay, no bed rest is required. You can always continue with your work and you don't have to take any leave from your jobs. So this procedure, I will say that the husband and wife or whatever the partners, they come together and I think they get better bonded emotionally with each other because they are involved in the procedure. And finally the success rate is around 60%, but then at the end of a tunnel there is a pot of gold. So I think one should come out with the problems and talk to the doctor and understand the procedure so that they get success at the end of the procedure. So I like to tell those couples who are having these problems like low sperm count or endometriosis or PCOD problems, please don't worry and talk to the doctor. You can come to Pearl Fertility and IVF and we will solve all your problems. We can make you understand the problem as well as the solution. And please don't worry, the procedure of IVF is neither painful nor difficult, not very expensive. So just make sure that you talk to the doctor and get counseled properly, because good counseling is the inseparable part of the treatment of IVF. It is just a procedure of 2 weeks which requires a hospital admission for a single day, that too for 3 to 4 hours. It's a painless procedure without any cut, without stitch, no bleeding and hardly any pain. So if you talk to the doctor and if you are well counseled, I think you can go through the procedure very well, cope up with the procedure very well and end up with a good success rate. So I think the important part of the procedure is counseling. If you are counseled well, I think it is easy for the couple to understand the procedure, cope up with the procedure well, go through the procedure and then finally with a good success rate.